Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Delphine, and I'm back again today with another video. And so first of all, I want to appreciate all my subscribers so far. Thank you so much for your support. I really do appreciate you all, and I just want to say a really big thank you for all your support on my channel. So guys, some of my unique viewers, or my really good subscribers, my really committed viewers and subscribers, have been asking me questions concerning the product review video I did. So some people told me they bought the product, you know, because it was a lot, starting from the pre-shampoo all the way to the moisturizers. So I've had concerns from people, you know, they say they bought the products already, but they just don't know how to use them. Like, I mean, they don't know which one comes first and which one comes after. So especially when it comes to the conditioning, the leave-in conditioning and the deep conditioning, so it's kind of confusing. So that's why I'm here today with this wash day video. So I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how I do my wash day, how I apply the products, you know, from one to another. So this is going to be a complete wash day video, starting from my pre-poo all the way to moisturizing. So guys, you want to stick around and watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be saying a lot of things, you know, in the middle and alongside the video. Guys, right now my hair oh, I know. My hair is really messy, guys. It's so messy and it's really dirty. Yeah guys, my previous hairstyle, I did apply a lot of gel on my hair. So guys, oof, yeah, it's this is what it looks like right now. So I'm going to be showing you everything. With that said, let's get started. Okay, stay around, not left, you know. Why? Here we are. So my very first step when it comes to my wash day routine is pre-shampoo. I mean, I already have two different videos where I talked about pre-shampoo. The first one, I just explained what pre-shampoo is, why it's important and all that stuff. And the second one, I do show you exactly how I do my own pre-shampoo. So that's why today I'm not going to spend so much time on pre-shampoo. I'm just going to show you one. As you can see, I already did the rest of it, and I only have about one left. So I'm only going to be showing you this one. This is where I am right now. And for my pre-shampoo, this is the pre-shampoo I use, the Moisture Miracle pre-shampoo. And I also do use my oil, and I have my detangling brush and my white tooth comb here. So guys, the first step is I always just go in first with my oil. If you've washed, or if you want to watch my pre-shampoo video, you can go ahead and watch that. I'll show you, you probably learned something from them. And I did explain why I use oil and the pre-shampoo itself, because I just find it more helpful. So first I just go in with my oil. Like it's watery. It's watery. So this is what it looks like, guys. And guys, when detangling, you always want to start with the tip and work your way down to the roots. It makes it a lot easier. So guys, this is what it looks like. So after detangling everything out, I'm just going to go ahead and put that in a twist. So guys, in total I have about 6 different sections. I did section my hair into 6, so I have 3 on this side and 3 on that side. So, and guys, if your hair is shorter than mine, you can create more sections, and if your hair is longer than mine, you can even do just 4 sections. So it all depends on your hair texture and your hair density. So this is my pre-shampoo. This is the very first step. So I'm going to be leaving this on for at least 15 minutes, and then I'll see you in the shower. So I'm just going to head straight to the shower to wash my hair. So this is 15 minutes later, and right now I'm just going to be taking down my twist, and I would just go straight to wet my hair. So after taking down my twist, I'm just going to wet my hair. So you always want to make sure your entire hair is really wet, like all of your hair is wet before you go in with your shampoo. So guys, for the pre-shampoo, I did leave it on for just 15 minutes, but you can always leave it on longer. Sometimes I leave it for even 30 minutes or more. So remember, the longer you leave it in, the better. So after wetting my hair, I'm just going to go straight to shampoo. For shampoo, I'm using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco. Guys, this shampoo is sulfate free and it just works better for me, or it works really good on my hair. I just love it so much. Guys, a little bit goes a long way. So all I do is go in with a little bit and massage it in. So I'm just going to massage that into my hair, my scalp, massage my scalp just to make sure I get every single part of the hair. And so guys, that's it. So after the pre-shampoo is the shampoo itself. So remember, the pre-shampoo only prepares your hair for the actual shampoo. And guys, I did use the shampoo twice. I did apply shampoo twice on my hair because my hair was really dirty. You know, I had a lot of product buildup from the gel I applied on my hair. So say you've had a protective style or braids or some kind of hairstyle on your hair for so long and your hair is really dirty, it may be really necessary for you to take your time to wash the hair, even if it means going in twice with your shampoo like I did today. So it's, you know, you just want to make sure you give it a good cleanse. You want to make sure you're able to remove all the buildups. So that's really important. Okay, so next is the deep conditioner. So guys, for my deep conditioning, I'm using the Aussie Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. So after the shampoo is the deep conditioner, and the deep conditioner, it's the one where if you don't see deep conditioner on the product, you might probably see Max, like MASK. So Max, that's referring to deep conditioner. So I always apply my deep conditioner in the shower because this way my hair is still wet, and again the heat from the shower really helps, you know, to let the deep conditioner absorb, especially if you don't want to spend more time using heat to deep condition. And guys, I really don't use heat anyway because my hair is high in porosity. So after you have shampooed your hair and condition, and guys, today I did not condition because usually when I'm deep conditioning, I always just skip the conditioning part. Okay, so but I mean, it's left for you, so you can still condition your hair before you deep condition, but I always just don't see it necessary to condition and deep condition. So usually when I deep condition, I just skip the conditioning part, and when I don't deep condition, I condition. So I just like fluctuate between the two. And again guys, I always just like to deep condition my hair in sections because it just makes the deep conditioning process to be easier and also more effective. This is how I consider deep conditioning. So deep conditioning is kind of like trying to relax your hair without actually actually changing its natural state, because it just leaves your hair soft and easy to manage. For the deep conditioning, I did leave it on for about 30 minutes, while doing other stuff, and after that I'm just going to wash that out and proceed to the next step. So you can leave it longer, you can leave it for 15 a minute, for 30 minutes. Some people even deep condition with heat, especially if you have low porosity hair. You may put it back on your head with the deep conditioner still on, and then just go on the back with your blow dryer. So I have high porosity hair, like I already said earlier, so I don't need heat to deep condition because my hair naturally, it just does its own thing on its own. So you can leave it for as long as you want to leave it on. It all depends on you, how comfortable you are. And that's it, guys. So I'm just going to raise the deep conditioner off and we'll proceed to moisturizing. My son says hi. So guys, as you can see, I did not use any towel or anything like that. My hair literally just air dry on its own. So this is just few minutes after coming out of the shower and my hair is already so dry. So guys, for moisturizing, I'm going to be using the LCO method, so leave-in, cream, and oil. So first, for my leave-in, I'm using the Argan Oil Cream of Nature from Morocco. This is a 7-in-1 treatment, so it helps with your edges and it leaves your hair feeling really soft. And guys, it just works great. It also acts as a hair treatment and at the same time moisturizes. And for my cream, I'm using my Moisture Miracle leave-in cream. So guys, I'm not using any butter. I just use 2 leave-ins, okay? I'm not using no butter. I only use that when I'm trying to twist my hair out and stuff like that. So first is the leave-in conditioner, the argan oil, and then second is my cream. And then I also go in with my oil to seal in the moisture. So the oil just helps to seal everything together. And guys, if you've watched my product review video, you would already know the oils I'm using. So it's a combination of different oils that I normally use on my hair. So guys, for the last process, instead of twisting, I'm going to secure my roots with this tiny rubber band, the black one, just because that is easy for me to cut off instead of struggling to take it down. So I secure my roots with that tiny rubber band and then I braid it out instead of just twisting. And this is because when I'm taking it down the next day, or no matter how long I'm going to be leaving that on, when I'm taking it down to style, my hair is going to remain stretched and detangled. So this is why I braid it out instead of just twisting. And again, braiding it out secures the hair from unraveling when you sleep or when you do certain things, So guys, I just put it in a braid instead of a twist for this last step, just to make the work easier for me when I'm styling the next day. So that's it, guys. So for moisturizing, LCO method, first is my leave-in conditioner, followed by my leave-in cream, and then my oil, and then I just detangle one more time and put it in a braid. So that's basically it, guys. So that's it, guys. So this is my hair after moisturizing everything, or every section. So I'm exhausted. Yeah, this wash day was so tiring, guys, because I had to record everything and it was really stressful. So thank you for watching today's video. I hope you find it helpful. See you in my next video.